Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock on your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next we have to move right here for security and the lock screen and then tap on face recognition. After that you have to input your currently logged method, and after that you have to simply read the description, and after that just go for the next. And right now we have to keep our face right here. We can keep it a little bit closer. As you can see, it was successful. Right now we are able to adjust notifications on the lock screen, so we can just don't show them at all. And after that we can turn on face recognition to unlock our device, and then simply lock the device by power button and click one more time, and let's swipe to use the face unlock. And as you can see, our face was recognition. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.